Welcome to this 3-bedroom house for sale in Amelinda, East London, Eastern Cape, South Africa for R800,000. Harcourt's Cornerstone is happy to bring to you this 3-bedroomed modern home in Amelinda, East London. This home offers a cozy lounge and as well as a compact and well-fitted kitchen. The single garage and carport offer plenty of parking for your vehicles. The bedrooms have fitted carpets, tiled floors and built-in cupboards with wooden windows. Special features include walls around the entire property. The property is also close to transport routes, local schools and a shopping center. Call Vero now to make an appointment to view this home before someone else beats you to it. For more information on this property or to arrange a viewing, please contact us.